Here, Freddie, I'll use the little cam if you want. But when you get inside, there's really nothing I've had to do to the top side. All of the work is on the underside. And right here, right here is the Arduino. There's our position sensor. There's that ferrite core I was talking about. There's our relays. And don't let me get my finger in there too much because there's 110 volts flying in here. Yes, we want to see me fry. But anyway, we tie into the switches here. And then the hardest part of this whole project is right there. Cutting out the square for the USB connector because you're on a double fold of metal. And with that double fold of metal, makes it just that much harder to tweak. But go ahead and bring us back the other one, Freddie. And now what we're going to do is we have interfaced this to Ham Radio Deluxe. And Freddie, can you bring up my laptop feed?
Yeah, please.
Okay. And you can see we've got good old Ham Radio Deluxe. And this is the rotator portion of Ham Radio Deluxe. You can see that we connect. We have it set for the Yaesu GS232, but that's a CDE high gain. How can we have a Yaesu and a high gain play together? But the Arduino is emulating the Yaesu, but it's controlling the high gain. And that's the cool thing about the Arduino. I can use one rotor's command set because I found it very easy, but then I can use it on any controller just by changing the links between the command structure and the actual controls. So now, where do we want to turn to? Good old HRD? Got to connect first. And it's not connecting. So remember I told you things weren't going to work right? And the reason it's not connecting is we're set to the wrong COM port. This one is on COM 2. So, they always work better when they're plugged in. My connector here. I unplugged it to move things around. Remember I told you things aren't going to go right. And so now, we should be able to connect. And I say, should be able to connect. Of course, you know this was working before I took the covers off. And what have we broken? We're probably going to have to come back to this one.
You're trying to do an internet connection?
No, I'm trying to connect to the rotor controller. Okay. And it's being mean to me. It was connecting before I took the covers off. So, we have done something to break it. Because it was connecting here just a few minutes ago. Yeah. We may have to switch computers or something here. It's moved it to COM 2 on us.
Well, Glenn, while you've been working on that problem, we've also been working on a problem here. I want people to see what we're faced with.
Sure.
Let's see. Let me switch this right here. We wonder why things are going off. This is a very neatly the setup tonight to get this program going. So you can see you can see some of the reasons when people walk. So anyway, we're keeping it on. Hopefully the video's been on. We lost a couple computers the last few minutes, but we got them back up.
I'm really sorry you showed it all that.
Glenn, no, this is what people like to see. They like to see people having trouble like us sometimes. Anyway, Glenn, I think's got his part there about figured out, and we'll have that thing working, or we'll move to another project.
Connected because
What?
it's connected.
Yeah.
The dial moved.
Yeah. Go ahead and give me the little cam here. I've got to show them something. VE3DV, you were very, very close. Notice I was playing with COM3. If we pay real close attention here, it had COM2. We were trying the wrong COM port. Go ahead and switch us back to the screen. So, pilot error, not Arduino error. And now, as you can see, we're into HRD. We connect. And my mouse isn't doing right now. But we connect. And of course, we can disconnect. And we see now that we have our meter. And now all we have to do is click. And our rotor is going to go off and turn for us.
But we're not.
Yeah, go ahead and switch it back to so you can actually see the rotor. Yeah, back.
No, back to the big picture.
Oh, okay. He wasn't.
Yeah. Yeah, go back to the live shot.
Wait a minute. We're seeing the wrong shot here. That's the reason. Okay.
Okay. So now you can see on our meter here, and all you have to do is point and click. And it will actually rotate. You see our meters moving. It's doing it all for us. And somebody had asked, this is version 5 of HRD, but it will work with any version. It will work with any rotor controller that can use the Yaesu GS232A as a device. You can change the code, of course, and make it anything you want it as far as that goes. But that's the CDE version. Like I say, you saw how simple the mod is. So it's really that simple to make all this happen. So anyway, that's what we got. We want to bring Hambot out of the closet and get us some more prizes? What do we want to give away? I don't know. Pick something except that last thing. The one with a lot of words.
Let's do the Uno.
Okay.
Let them know if we get a prize.
Just clearing off some desk space.
Okay, we're going to do a prize here. Hambot has got one picked out, and Glenn, do you want to announce what it is? Kind of describe what it is.
Okay, I'll actually show them.
Okay, yeah, let's hold the prize up.
What we have, it's going to be a Arduino compatible Uno. It's called a BUONO, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But it's actually a 3 and 5 volt version of the Uno that's switch selectable. But it is basically an Arduino Uno as far as functionality and use. And we're going to have Hambot go dig that out of the case of toys that he stole from me and give it away.
All right, we're looking for N5JXO. Are you here to claim your prize? Looks like NP4M probably got silenced. We're looking for N5JXO. Johnny Boats, you just got silenced, sorry. N5JXO, we're still looking for him. The official time is the chat room time, not my audio.
And one thing y'all can see here is I love these power poles. They make it so easy to switch things in and out. And now we can get us some more workspace to show off some more toys.
Go ahead and pick another one. All right, looking for W4DAS. Doug, are you here?
I've lost the chat room again.
We got a winner. We went Ethernet cable over here. For some reason our Wi-Fi dropped. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. You know, I wonder if it's my wireless mouse.
All right, so we had a winner there. This is for the Arduino Uno microcontroller.
Oh, it was working before.
That was W4DAS. Doug, congratulations.
Yeah, I've lost.
You want to take a break a minute? We're on a commercial thing.
Yeah, please do.
All right, we're going to take a break just for a minute and work on a couple things. We'll be back in just a couple minutes.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question, it will read his mind. There the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.